one of the things we get asked is, how do we shower in the winter? In minus 25, being off grid. No power, no water, no plumbing. How do we do it? So Josh came up with an idea that I'm not really too sure if I'm going to be trying.
Come on!
We'll see.
Okay. Whew. Well, she's a cold one, but we still have to shower. It's about minus 25 now. It's actually warmed up from the minus 31. Just gotta get a couple pieces of wood, you know, for the fire. I'll take you inside. We got the water. It's a bit of a, we're a bit plumbing challenged. So, you'll see our water system here. Don't worry, guys.
Don't worry about me, big guy.
Don't get up.
I'll wait by the fire.
Got our water. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, it's good. Now let's take you outside to see our outdoor shower at minus 25. Woo, baby. Wim Hof will be proud. Get that off, just let it cool down. I don't want to scold myself. All right. Okay, we got everything set up, but we got to do a little shower prep. Come on outside. Room. As you can see, our beautiful outhouse. Take you on that tour later. But yeah, we have it right here. A little bit of snow we gotta clear off so our feet don't get cold, or mine. I don't think Sarah's gonna do it today.
No.
And then our little jug. Ooh, she's that might chill out the water fast, but we'll see how that goes. Okay. I wonder if I should dump some of that jug out, actually. I don't know, that's pretty.
I don't know, it'll melt pretty fast. There you go.
This is my seat. Gotta get that cleared off. All right. Got the old hook for the towel. Now we got the broom. A little sweep for the feet. Man, that is deluxe. That is deluxe. Okay. Just gotta get the water. Snow there though. And the towel's snowy. Took a little biff in the snow there. Just in time to. Oh shit, I wish the sun was still poking out right here. Cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty weak. Come on, baby. on.
Am I done filming you now?
I think so.
Okay.
Well, there you have it. Can't believe this is the guy in charge of my well-being.
Oh yeah, there it is. What are you watching before?
It's like all down here. I'm trying to make sure you get rims. I have to rotate to the other side. It's the other side.
Oh, that's chilly. Yeah, got the creeper. Yeah, that's showering at minus 25. Let's go. Woo! You see this? Look at these leg hairs right here. It's a tad chilly when your leg hairs are freezing. Okay. Well, there you have it. That was showering at minus 25. What do you think, Chizzy? You crazy man. Oh, that's what he thinks.